Hey, Chef Pete is here today, and today I am making a one-pan chicken and rice dish with veggies all in one. And we're gonna start by I'm using chicken thigh today, and you can use chicken breast if you'd like. I'm using chicken thigh. And so the first thing we're gonna do is get our meat browned up here, and I'm getting it in the pan. And what I've done is I've taken the outside skin of the thigh off so that way we don't have any meat that is too hard to chew. So I've just basically de-skinned it. And we'll get this in there, and these pieces in there. And here we go. A little fat is good. It will give us some flavor. All right, and here we have a piece that's too much. Let's just trim that back. Okay, and let's get this out of our way. All right, now, let's start. Let's get our chicken thighs. Get our chicken thighs going real good. And let's get some salt and pepper on them. I need my pan. Here we are. Let's get some salt and pepper on them. And some oregano and a little garlic. Okay, so we'll get some salt on here. There we go. Some oregano. This is one of the easiest dishes you could do and have ready within 35 minutes to 40 minutes. And, you know, it's a good way to do. Now I'm going to put some freeze-dried garlic today. You can use fresh or cut your own, whatever you like. All right, so we're going to get this going. I don't want to burn the garlic. I just want to get it going with the meat so he's not burning. There we go. We'll get the rest of this going here. All right. Keep it moving. Because we're going to take this meat out once we get it nice. We're going to take it out and set it aside and put it back in later. Right? Okay. Because it's going to cook in the tomato sauce. We're going to put tomato sauce and with our rice and our veggies. And I think today I'm going to use not just onion, a little squash, some peppers. You know, you can use whatever you have in your house. Whatever veggies your family likes. Okay. So we got these ready. We've got these ready. Let's get them out of here. Right here. Let's just get them out onto there. Get the pan back on the heat. Get the pan back on the heat. And I'm going to come over here. And I'm just going to throw some onion right in here. Right into here. While we have our hot pan. We'll get our onion going. Just like this. Start with our onion. And just get them. There we go. All right, get our onion right in here. We have some garlic left because it was with the chicken. And I start with olive oil. You can use whatever you like, butter. I'm using olive oil because we like olive oil in our family. Or you could use Western oil or canola oil or peanut oil or whatever kind you like. All right? I'm using olive oil. Okay, so we have our onions going, and I'm going to get some salt on them. There we go. And some more oregano. You want to season as you go, everybody. Season as you go with what you like. Salt, pepper. I'm using oregano. Okay. And what I want to do is kind of get these sweated down, these onions, while I am cutting. I'm going to cut some peppers now. So we have some red pepper. We'll start with red. And we'll cut some red peppers up. Let's get them right in there with our onions. And I have, oh look at this, I have some orange. Let's cut some orange pepper up. Here's some yellow. yellow pepper. Now we already seasoned the onions, so let's just mix things up. Just like this. Keep them mixing, keep mixing. Get it good and mixed up. Okay. There we go. Now remember, we're going to cook rice in here, and it takes about 15 minutes. I'm using basmati rice, and I'm going to put tomato sauce in here. Tomato sauce I'm going to put in here. I have some tomato sauce that I have over here. And I'm going to put that in here in just a couple of minutes. And we're going to continue on because I want to add the squash in. I have a nice piece of squash here. Alrighty. And you can cut this any way you like. I'm going to cut it today. I think I'm going to cut it in smaller pieces. Just like this, and we're just going to throw him right in. Just like that. Same thing over here. Okay, get him right in. Okay, so there we go. We've got him pretty well to go here. Now, what I'm going to do, see, this is really simple, everybody. Put my rice in. I've got about 3/4 of a cup here of basmati rice on it, see? And then I'm going to go right in with about a good cup and a half of tomato sauce. And then I'm going to clean this container out. I put some hot water in it. We'll hold it there. And then before I go with that, I'm going to get some let's see here. Here we go. Let's see here. What we're going to do is get this rice mixed up, and then I'm going to come back in the next slide, and we are going to, in the next video, I'm going to put some red wine in here. But for now, I'm just going to go with some water, and then we'll come back and add some red wine after we get this to start to simmer and cook our rice and veggies. And then the last thing we'll do, once we get our rice good, is we're gonna, about the last 10 minutes, put our chicken thigh back in, so our chicken thigh can get all absorbed with the beautiful, delicious tomato sauce and the red wine I'm gonna put. And there we go, there we have it, okay? All right, so when we come back, I will show you the next couple of steps of adding the wine and making sure we have enough liquid to get our rice cooked through. Okay, so this is Pete, out!